Hi guys, I bought a smart bulb, LED smart bulb. I will connect this to my home network, and then it is compatible also with Google Assistant and Alexa. So I will try to set up first the apps in my cell phone, then I will connect this to my Alexa, right? So I scan first the apps for this smart bulb, this one, and it's a V-Tac innovative LED lighting. So na-install ko na po yung V-Tac app in my phone, so i-open po natin, guys. Okay, pasok na tayo sa apps, guys. Okay, naka-register na ako, so mag-add device na tayo, right? But before that, install ko muna yung bulb. Okay guys, and I show you the light will changing its color depending on what is the color I chose in the app. You see, the color is changing. Okay, so I want to sorry, I'm so hingal. So I changed the color in the app. You see, change it. Alright, alright, alright. You see, very nice, very nice. Scene, leisure, working, red, night, and soft. Wow, colorful, dazzling, right? So I link this into my Alexa app. Okay, I'm going to click the more, then skills and games. So in skills and games, there are a lot of Alexa commands. So I will be searching for the V-Tac. So I try to type it here, V-Tac and smartlight, check. So there are a lot of Alexa commands here. So I will check the Alexa dim living room light. So enable. Then waiting. So upon waiting, you need to put an email or contact number for registration. So I enter my email address, and then next step is I move the picture into the hall. Okay, as what they call this, verification. So next step, so I choose the app. So there's a lot of apps: Smartlight, Supercon, eFamily Cloud, and V-Tac Smartlight. So I will choose the V-Tac Smartlight. So I link the device, still the email address, and also my password. So okay, this password is used by the apps of the V-Tac apps on your phone. So verification again, and it's success. So you can control now your smart light over the internet. So you have to authorize, and then account linking in progress. And finally, V-Tac smart light has been successfully linked in Alexa. Alright. So okay guys, ang V-Tac innovative LED lighting ay nakakonect na siya sa Amazon Alexa. So itong innovative LED lighting pwede rin siya gamitin sa Google Assistant. So ngayon itatry natin kung mag-work ba talaga siya sa Alexa. So start, Alexa, turn on the light.
Okay.
Okay. Alexa, please change the light color to blue.
Okay.
Alexa, please change the color light to green.
Okay.
Okay. Alexa, please change the color light to red.
Okay.
Alexa, please change the color light to brown.
Okay.
Okay. Alexa, please turn off the light.
Okay.
Okay. So it's done already, guys. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.